rough.
The road was rough and full of stones.
這條路很崎嶇，到處都是石頭。
The sea became rough after the storm started.
暴風雨開始後，海面變得波濤洶湧。
His hands felt rough from working all day.
他的手因整天工作而變得粗糙。
The rough surface made it hard to paint smoothly.
粗糙的表面讓油漆難以塗得均勻。
It was a rough day at school, but I made it through.
這是在學校裏艱難的一天，不過我撐過去了。
He had a rough childhood, but he never gave up.
他有一個艱苦的童年，但他從未放棄。
She gave him a rough idea of what the project would cost.
他給他大致估算了一下這個專案的成本。